Hey guys, I thought I'd show you these really cool seat covers I just got. They're Coverado. I'll put a link down below to a couple items there that worked out here well. These are the neoprene. I chose these because I'm familiar with neoprene. It's tough, waterproof. I'm just trying to keep the seats kind of newish. This is a 22 Sprinter, and these things fit really well. You can see up here, they go right over the headrest with this nice hole. There's an air gap here, but that's okay. It gives you some breathability. And then you got the seat base here that's got some nice straps. It all has nice straps to hold it on tight so you're not constantly wrestling with it as you drive or wear and tear on it. Here's one of the seat covers for the other side. But I just want to point out a couple of things on these. Here, let me show you the box real quick. Hopefully you can see where I'm looking. Yeah, this is what they are, and this is the exact model, if you can see that. I'll put a link down below. The other neat little thing I bought at the same time were these little armrest covers, because what's going on is we get in here all dirty from motorcycle riding and sweaty, and you get all this dead skin that collects in the material here. I just kind of cleaned these up a bit and vacuumed them before I putting it back together, and you can kind of see the haziness there a little bit. And I'm just trying to not have it smell like a locker room when I'm using it for more pleasure things or not so dirty things. And so these, I already put one on. You can see how easy they are. I'll put this one on with you guys right here. But you got your nice little hole, and you're basically like a professional upholsterer in a millisecond. I like that. So now you don't get that dead skin and sweat getting beat into your armrests. And you can see there's some dead skin right there probably. Can you see that? Sweat and everything. That's wear and tear. I don't know what that is. Probably some Velcro got a hold of it or something. Anyway, I'm going to show you just a couple quick things about these covers. I like them a lot. What you did is pulled this down. I stretched these straps over the armrest. Hope you can see this. You can see how that works there. And then it had Velcro tabs right here that went up inside and Velcroed here. So this is nice and taut. And then it has, so that's the kind of fly skirt on that part, and then on the bottom it has a fly skirt. I think that's what you call it, I'm not sure. Just this little skirt that pulls through the crack so you can keep tension on it. So these things, if you can see that, hook up underneath. I can show you the hooks here. You can just grab, hope you can see that part of your seat hooks, and then just hook into that, and these little straps you can see. So the trick to those straps is it comes with the hooks. The trick to the straps, real easy, just to save you some headache, is just spread them with a tool. You see how they spread? Like that, get them wider. Spread it with a tool, and then the gap opens up, if you can see that, to slide the strap on, because otherwise you're kind of wrestling with it. So if you're under the seat doing it, it's a little tough, but that's how to do it with a tool. And then to get the straps down in there, you can they send you a little tuck tool as well, but that'll help. But I use my own and just shove the strap through, grab it through the other side. You know, these things will shove right in there and kind of hold it like that. And then you can get it and put your little hook on. And I noticed I didn't need as many hooks as I thought, because what I did is I just lassoed, if you can see that, let me see where my hand is. Yeah, I just lassoed the side one coming in. Can you see that? Let's see, where the heck am I? I can't see. All right, I lassoed the side one into that back one, and so there's two kind of strapped into one hook, if you can see that. And that's kind of the little tricks to tensioning these up so these aren't sliding around on me all the time. Anyway, I like them a lot. They got a pocket here, if you can see that, and they got a pocket right here, if you can see that. Kind of nice. And I hate that silly Mercedes adjustment thing, this thing. I'm always hitting it with my leg and the thing pops open and it leaves a crack there, and I got to reset it. Bad design, but that covers that up. Hopefully it doesn't get triggered underneath there. But those are them. I'll put a link down below. You also get a headrest cover, which I don't think I'll bother using, but here, I just did that live with you guys. You could use that too. I might stitch mine tighter so it fits better, but just to be goofy. But yeah. These things look great. I hope that helps you guys. Links down below to these items, and save your seats. And then you'll pull them off later and you'll have a brand new Sprinter seat. Talk to you later. Take care. Appreciate any likes and subscribes.